Hey guys, my name is Peter and I'm presenting you the vintage USA ProBucker humbucker set with neck and bridge pickups, with Pro wiring harness. ProBucker pickups feature Alnico magnets, which provide a rich, warm tone with a sparkling high end and a solid low end. These pickups are incredibly responsive with a range of tones and have a quick connector for ease of service and reliability both in the neck and bridge pickups. They also feature coil-tapping, which is easily activated by a push-pull volume control. Coil-tapping allows players an infinite variety of pickup sounds, from single-coil bark to full humbucker bite. The ProBucker offers 2 pickups, neck and bridge, including a fully 5-conductor leads for easy coil splitting. It includes the USA ProBucker passive neck and bridge pickups, with complete Pro wiring harness spots with 3-way switches. Both pickups have the amazing classic sound and great note bloom with an awesome mid-range that doesn't sacrifice note definition at all, also offering some more punch and crunch when needed. For more information and purchase, please go to www.falconguitars.se. See you next time!